Right, welcome to the Weazel News at 11:45 today. A boy named Jake Templeman, who was 20 years old, was killed during a snowmobile crash because he was driving too fast on his snowmobile and suddenly crashed into a tree, fell off and died. And here's a footage of what happened to Jake Templeman. And now, Jake Templeman is gone forever. Our next news report is a boy named Benjamin Bowler, who was 14 years old, was screaming to get Raul Menendez in Black Ops 4 Blackout, because the challenge that he had to do was to down 2 enemies with a shotgun and clean them up with a shotgun. And Ben almost failed to get the Menendez challenge, but finally he unlocked Raul Menendez in Blackout. This is Captain Price in the Weazel News at 11:45, and I wish you a good day.